In this video, I'm going to show you how you can setting up a domain with Google Sites. You log into your Google Sites and then you want to go to Settings up in the top right corner. And here you want to click Custom Domains. And here you want to click Start Setup. And here you want to add the domain that you own. It is important that you actually own it. So let's just type something like and here you are asked to verify your ownership. So just click this link here. And then you will be taken to the Google Search Console. Of course, you have to be logged into your Google account, and then you want to click Continue. And you want to copy this text, and you want to log into your domain registrar, and you want to copy this text inside the DNS records. I'm sure you can find a guide on Google on how to do this. And when that is done, you want to click Verify and you go back to your Google Sites, click Next, and from here you want to follow the instructions that comes up. So this is how to set up a custom domain on Google Sites. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.